What is going on, y'all? We are in Labadee, Haiti. This is a new port for us. So far, beautiful. We just stepped off the ship, but man, this place, yeah, it's hot. Fall in the States, full-blown summer in Haiti. So we got a lot planned for today. We're going to check the island out. We're going to go ride the roller coaster.
Relax.
And relax.
Chill.
New country, new island, new port, new ship, independence. It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Here we go. So we're on board the tram. They have tram service that runs along this large island. It's pretty expansive. It's 260 acres. We're heading to Adrenaline Beach for our roller coaster ride, and it's 14 minutes, not miles, 14 minutes from the ship. So we're taking the tram, make it a little more easy. So what do you think, babe?
I love it.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's really nice.
It is so nice. We're sitting here inside this little jetty kind of bay area. This is Adrenaline Beach. You come this way just a little bit. You see the beautiful waves crashing behind us. Then come this way just a little bit. You can see the beautiful ship, and you can see right there is a floating bar. It's freaking awesome. Yeah, we love it. This is awesome. And we've got the Dragon's Tail or Dragon's Breath flight line that's going right over the top of us. This is pretty amazing. I like this. They call this an old school port. So in comparison, like the Coco Cay, this is like the way ports used to be. We're new cruisers, but I'd like for it to go back to the way ports used to be. In my opinion, this is more like set in nature and beautiful.
Yeah.
Love this. This is awesome. Our first hangout was Adrenaline Beach. This spot has amazing views, beautiful sandy beaches, and it's close by to activities and food. Next was our booked excursion on board the Dragon's Tail mountain coaster. This is a mountain coaster that you control, and man is it beautiful, and it is so fun. Next, it was time for a little beachside pool soccer. This was pretty cool. We really enjoyed playing this. We worked up quite a thirst and an appetite, so it was time to head to the bar and then over to the buffet for plenty of Caribbean food and snacks. We're in the artesian village, and that's like crazy. It's like being on the mainland or something, and there's so many local shops. So it's cool. There's a lot of awesome stuff here, but I'm gonna tell you what, if you think Nassau is wild,
Well, you can see them on the back.
this is nuts. This is just crazy. I mean, like, you see down that road, this dude over here, I mean, you think Nassau's wild. I mean, it gets a little sketch. If this weren't Royal Caribbean's island, I'd be a little sketched out right now.
Oh, yeah.
I am a little sketched out, actually.
Yeah.
Next stop on the island was Columbus Cove. This area is a little more relaxed. This would be a more family-friendly area where there's not as many waves, but there's still the beach bar, there's still places close by to eat, and there's also a water park. Just ahead is the entrance to the Dragon Splash Water Park. This island is littered with nature trails that cut through a bunch of little shortcuts, and it's just amazing to see all of the nature on this island. These cabanas located in Columbus Cove are available to rent through Royal Caribbean.
It's a rough life.
It is rough. I wish it was rough. I wish we had our dogs here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I don't. They never let us relax. We'll have to be up and running. We'll have to stay in the water and stay where food and water.
Labadee, Haiti. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. One of the things that we're finding that has been really cool about this island is like the ability to just explore. You feel like you're out in nature, and so like there's all these little shortcuts. So we're going back to like the straw market right now, against our better judgment. But we need a shirt. And Chas found a shell.
No, it's not a shell. It's a.
Look at the little Hermie Chas found. Just out here in the middle of the island. She got her little hermit buddy. And he's active. They're usually not that active.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him back down.
Release yourself back to the wild, my friend. All right, so as we were saying earlier, we found nature in all these little exploration nature trails. It's a little bit of a hike. We're walking straight up a hill on the side of the mountain right now.
But it is a shortcut.
It
So
is a
you can go
shortcut.
up a little hill for a lot less walking,
Yeah.
because it's a long way around to the front.
The Barefoot Beach Club is a private beach area for Crown and Anchor Society members as well as guests that have a suite. There's a great splash area for the kids. It's very clean and well maintained. Dragon's Plaza is near the entrance of Labadee, Haiti, and this is where you can find things like your first aid area, where a lot of the staff will be, and where you can go get your towels, and also where you can check in for excursions. absolutely beautiful day on Labadee, Haiti. What'd you think, baby?
I love it.
Yeah, this place is awesome. It's
Yeah.
authentic Caribbean. Everything's natural. Like, it's not like when you go to Coco Cay or one of those places. It's kind of like Half Moon Cay in a little bit.
Yeah.
Kind of in a way. But
Yeah, but the mountains, it's just so pretty.
yeah,
Like
it's
this
beautiful. These mountains are amazing. We hope you enjoyed tagging along with us at Royal Caribbean's private island at Labadee, Haiti. We thoroughly enjoyed it here, and we think that you will too. Follow along with us on some of our other Moonlight adventures in the video above.